Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to use text to speech on TikTok. So let's start the video. Before starting this video there is a polite reminder, please like this video and subscribe my channel. So let's start. First of all, tap on the TikTok application. Then go to your profile. Then you will tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. You have to go ahead, record the video first. Hold this button for 10 to 12 seconds to make a video. After that click on the click on the tick button at the right of your screen. I will record a short video of tap on the tick button. Once you have done so, then add text from the top of your screen. AA button, simply tap on the AA button. Type the text from here. Hello friends, this is my first video. Okay, what you can do at this point, just tap on the text, then you will see a very first option. First option is text to speech option. Simply tap on it.
Hello friends, this is my first video.
5 to 7 seconds only. Then you will hear the sound of this text. That's all. If you find this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.